If you get to hear me now, if you get to hear me now.
Hi friends, welcome to Techno. Today I'll be showing you how to crack IDM and use it free for lifetime. Let's get started. If you don't have IDM installed, then follow my steps or directly click on the download link available in the description box below. After you have downloaded IDM, open it and install it. You must restart your browser for IDM integration. After installing IDM, go to the description box and download the IDM crack file, which is about 74 KB. Now let's extract it. After extracting it, open the folder named patch and copy the file named patch. Now close the folder and right click on the IDM icon and click on open file location. Now paste the patch file here. Click on continue. Now right click on the patch file and click on run as administrator. Now click on patch again. If this dialog box appears, make sure you clear IDM from the notification tray. Now type in your first name and last name. After typing in your name, you will find that patching is done. Now you can close the window and delete the patch file if you want. Now, when you open the IDM app, you'll find that the app is registered. When you click on Help menu and click on About, you'll find that the app is licensed. That's it friends, now use IDM for free.